So now just come to this particular question number 44. See, this particular question is based on the concept that supposing opening WDV, add and assets sold during the year. Okay. Now, supposing I'm giving you an example and thereafter I'll come to this particular question and to give you the complete answer. Okay. Supposing opening WDV, say for example 20 lakhs, you have added some assets for 7 lakhs. Okay, and you have sold some asset for 5 lakhs. Whatever asset that you have added is eligible, supposing for half rate. Okay, so 20 plus 7 minus 5, so it is 22 WDV. Okay, so on the WDV you will be eligible for the depreciation. You have to decide half the rate, you have to decide full rate. Okay, because depreciation you have to multiply with the WDV only. So 7 lakhs is eligible for half the rate and the balance will be eligible for the purpose of full rate. This is a normal understanding. But supposing if the asset which has been sold, I repeat, supposing if the asset which has been sold is the same to same asset, that means the asset which has been acquired, which was eligible for half the rate, and the same asset has been sold. Okay, so in that particular situation, the view exists that the cost with respect to half the rate eligible asset depreciation is only 2, because now only your WDV is including only the net figure of 2. So only 2 will be eligible for half the rate, and the balance figure, which will be 20 now, will be eligible for the full rate. So this is the principle and this is the theory based on which this particular question is operating. Okay, so let me just take up the question numbers quickly and tell you how exactly this is going to be. Okay, now see, there is a opening WDV, there is A and B, that is 5, and sorry, opening A is 7 and this is 5, total is 12. Now let me tell you friends, whenever there is a block of asset which is opening WDV, we can never have a opening WDV with respect to the individual assets. It is just not possible. Okay, however, question has printed the data, so I'm just using it. So I cannot say that my opening WDV is with respect to A and B or something like that, but anyway, question has printed. Now C has been added for 10 lakhs, which is eligible for half the rate. Okay, now determine the amount of depreciation. What will be your answer? A has been sold. Okay, so A has been sold for 8 lakhs. Okay, A has been sold. C was acquired. Okay, so first situation is a very simple situation because the same to same asset has not been sold. So whatever is the WDV, from that 10 lakhs will be eligible for half the rate. In the first situation, the balance will be eligible for full rate. Okay, in the first situation. But supposing if the lorry C by itself has been sold for X amount, that is 8 lakhs, instead of A, supposing C has been sold, so it is the same to same asset has been sold. Okay, so half the rate will be eligible only for 2 lakhs and the balance will be eligible for full rate. So that is the principle based on which this particular question is set, and you have to give the answer.